We Grow People Big and Small, to me, means that you are unleashing people's potential, that you are able to see something in others and help them grow and fulfill their dreams.
Even if you're a more seasoned franchisee or if you're just starting out, there's opportunities to learn, there's opportunities to connect.
The content is important, the camaraderie is important, the community is important. You get so much out of the round tables, you get so much out of interacting with your peer group. There's just such a great opportunity to share experiences.
It really is the perfect blend of being able to succeed in all levels of the business, and you're getting all of those opportunities here in one room for 3 days.
Guys, I want to welcome you to Celebree's Grow Big Conference 2025. Welcome, everybody.
We Grow People Big and Small means to us that we have the opportunity to foster the love of learning in our small, young learners, as well as help our adults that we work with and collaborate with to accomplish their professional goals.
Growing People Big and Small was probably one of the things that drew me to Celebree the most.
Growing People Big is actually creating a career path and trajectory for the caregivers.
Making sure that you're growing kids to their best abilities.
It means investing. It means spending the time to really work with people and to help them develop and learn new things, learn new skills, get out of their comfort zone.
The teachers, we want to provide them the best training tools, best progression, so that they can feel motivated and will be able to help the little kids.
Growing people big and small for me means being involved in the community. We want to help people be able to work in this industry and feel proud of their accomplishments within this industry. And I want to help be a part of the solution in helping people stay in the industry and grow. When it comes to growing people small, it's about those teachers and how they engage with kids in our classrooms, bringing all of the facets of what we want to bring from an education experience for our children so that they're ready for kindergarten. And then when they grow up, they can be great human beings that can accomplish great things in our community.
We have fantastic franchise partners, right? And seeing the relationships among each other, the franchise partners getting to see each other, us connecting and listening and learning to all of their feedback, what they're loving, how they're experiencing the business, thoughts for the future. I learned a ton from just listening to them. And then I think finally watching everybody interact with our vendors. That was fantastic.
And I think it's the camaraderie, it's getting together, it's sharing best practices, iron sharpens iron.
I think the most valuable part of the conference was really seeing franchise partners that have been a part of the system for such a long time, sharing all that they have learned with our new franchise partners.
I just felt the energy from them of how much they actually love this company and how much we feel as we are a family. And that just reinvigorates me and wanting to come back here and do more for them.
We learned a lot about our journeys. We learned a lot about our sales journey, more about our real estate, and most about our construction journey. And I'm working right now very closely with the team to make sure that we refine some of those processes based on what you told us as we hear you, and make sure that you're ready to go, you're set up for success, and you are on time and on budget.
I brought home the importance of relationships. So relationships with our vendors and what they have with our franchisees, and also my relationships with the franchise partners. Not just that I'm currently working with, but that I will be working with in the future, as well as the ones that might have moved on from my support, but still having those connections with them and being a part of their journey.